Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy hump day. So we're about 2 days away from the weekend. Thank God. So we just had the Fed announcement. Checking my phone. Um, Interesting move, right? Let's pop on over and look at a chart together, especially on the S&P 500. Now, we got that short on the S&P 500, and we're going to hold on to that for right now. You see how we got that spike when the announcement came out? That's your first knee-jerk reaction. Now we'll see some resolution on this. We'll wait to see how this Q&A goes with Jerome Powell. Here's the thing. We stood pat, and according to the Fed, despite the Delta thing and all that, the economy's going well. So we'll see, right? Labor reports aren't saying that and things like that. And, we're kind of, we're going to stick with this little short here, and we're going to see how the Q&A goes. We're getting a little push up on the spider right now. And the reason is, at some point, when does the Fed get to a point where it just can't stop tapering? It just has to do it forever, or it's so afraid to upset the market. And you can see the spider. Let's pop back to the spider chart. This is kind of fun. There you go. You see we got a little green bar action going there. We're about 4,400. 4,400, nice little psychological level, right? And round numbers and stuff like that. And we'll see how it works out because, like I said, we got that big spike going into it and the release. And we got some selling there, some clearing out, maybe some profit taking, who knows. And then we're kind of just going sideways now. So we'll see how this shakes out. Other than that, we'll just sit tight. We still got a little bit time to go on here. Let's do a swab chart. That's even better. We'll put that guy up there. You can see how it just got so discombobulated after that little bar there. Volume kind of sucked out of it. A little bit of momentum kicking into the chart and stuff. That's the 1 minute chart. It extended a little. We'll see how those 5 minute bars look. Pretty much the same. Let's go see how the 15-minute bars look. Hey, you see that 15-minute bar? We just got a nice little push, right, on the short moving average, push back over the long moving average. A little RSI action there, nice big green bar there. That's 15 minutes. We're about 15 minutes into that announcement. So let's see how we shake out here with the Q&A, guys. The daily chart, you can see it. We're still looking a little toppish here, right? We had that nice top there a couple days ago. We had that ugly day yesterday, real weird day, and it looks like we're getting a little bit more of that action there. We got all the way to Friday on these puts, so let's see how it shakes out. Other than that, guys, it's been an interesting market, right? With the old Bitcoin, still got a little push going on there. You can see it's still around that 39,000. Let's go to a year chart in Bitcoin because we don't like that short-term chart. But you see again how we talked about this green line that we got set up here. You see the last time it kind of came over that, right? It had a little fight there and it got pushed back down. It had a little fight there. That might be a triple top. Who knows? Maybe we're going back to 1,000. There you go. We'll all be buyers. Other than that, guys, we're going to kind of sit through this morning. You can see the SPX is up about $1. Bitcoin, the last hours had a little trouble, but it pushed up. It was up about 40,000 a few minutes ago. Other than that, let's see how we shake out. Great earnings, right? We've had some fantastic earnings. Apple had blowout earnings. They got a little punished for it. They're down about $2 this morning. Microsoft had great earnings. They made an all-time high again today, but they pulled back a little bit. The spider's kind of going sideways right now, the S&P 500. We'll see how this Q&A goes. In about 15 minutes, we'll get that Q&A from Jerome Powell, and we'll see what kind of excuses we have going forward here. They still say inflation is transitionary. They still say the economy is growing despite even this Delta, new mask and things and stuff like that. The labor, right? It's a couple bad labor reports. Again, if we're doing this still, this tapering and stuff like that, you've got to have one eye on the future. And if we're still doing this tapering and we're still going full strength on this tapering, what does that mean? Does that mean we're ever going to have an exit? Where is the real exit from this tapering? And are we just creating a bigger and bigger and bigger bubble? Who knows? Like I said, we'll sit tight here for at least another hour or so. Watch how this shakes out with the Jerome Powell Q&A. Like I said, great earnings. If you're looking for more earnings plays, Facebook after the bell. Facebook's having a good day. Looks like the SPY just went flat. Other than that, let's just sit back and let it play out, guys. No reason to panic. We only got one play really on the board right now. We've got this spider puts that expire Friday, which are right around break even and stuff like that. Other than that, we've got our oil play going forward. Let's go take a look at oil together since let's kill some time. You can see oil's taking back that 72 level. It looks like it's holding real strong. Nice little bounce after it had that little problem there with we had a couple of things going on, right? With the Saudis and their agreement, what is it, OPEC and all this stuff and possible economic slowdowns. And, you know, if you think back a few days back, there was actually some fear in the market over a possibility of shutting back down certain areas of the economy, right? If we're doing mask mandates for vaccinated people, what is the next level should that Delta not come under control? Other than that, you know, it could be the start of another bull leg. And that's why we're just got this one short on the board right now. We still got those two oil plays out till the end of September. So we're not worried about those with oil starting to show bullishness again. And we'll see how it plays out. All right, gang. Other than that, you guys have a fantastic Wednesday. It's been an interesting day, right? We were red, we were green, we got a little sell down into the report. We got a little pop up after the report. We got a little sideways action there. It's a little bullish now. The S&P is up about 2 points, which is really nothing. It's flat. And I think now the last piece of the puzzle is going through this Jerome Powell Q&A. But like I said, we don't panic and stuff. We had a thesis behind this trade. And that's the difference. Sometimes you trade technicals. Sometimes you trade an idea or a thesis, right? And that's the thesis on this, that as we get through this Fed Q&A and Fed announcement and stuff, this market will get a little bearish. Maybe just temporary, but other than that, we've got those long plays going out and we've got our great stocks, right? So look, guys, I'm not going to keep you too long today. You kind of saw what the action's doing on the charts. Let me just check my phone here real quick. Actually, we can see it on the side here. Yeah, I see that S&P is getting a little bullish. Let's do one more. Let's go look at the charts one more time before we go. That's your oil. Let's pop down the S&P, and you see the S&P there got a little green on that bar there, so it could get a little fun. We'll see how this goes with the Jerome Powell Q&A, which is always entertaining. Other than that, guys, you have a great Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe with some good news, right? If depending on how this Q&A goes, we get a little sell down, we get out of this puts and start looking for other trades. We just don't stress, you know what I mean? If you're pulling your hair out, if you're freaking out over every trade, then you're probably doing it wrong. You should be a little more relaxed. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Any comments, put them down in the bottom. Again, we've got the Jerome Powell Q&A in about 10-15 minutes. And then tomorrow we've got some labor reports. We'll see if that's changing its outlook. Maybe the Fed knows something we don't about tomorrow's labor reports. You never know. They get to see this. They're privy to this information. Maybe there'll be some clues to that in this Q&A. So you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Play very cautious right now, okay, gang? It's kind of an interesting time in the stock market, to say the least. All right, gang. I'll see you guys tomorrow.